Did you know that in scientific classification there is no difference between crows and ravens? That's right. These blackbirds, often mistaken for each other, are actually more alike than you may believe. Both belong to the same family, with ravens just being a little more dramatic, larger bills, different tail shapes, and a flight pattern that sets them apart. In fact, when it comes to size, ravens are as big as red-tailed hawks, while crows are more akin to pigeons. And despite their intimidating large bills, crows surprisingly can't break through even thin skin. They rather rely on decomposition or another creature to open a carcass first. And did you know about their communal roosting habits? In winter, crows are known to sleep in groups ranging from a few hundred to a staggering 2 million. So next time you see a crow, remember, it's not as different from a raven as you might think. Ever considered crows as intelligent beings? You might be surprised. These black-feathered creatures are far more than what meets the eye. They're part of the Corvidae family, boasting the largest brain-to-body size ratio of any bird species. This makes them incredibly smart, with a mental capacity comparable to a 7-year-old child. Imagine this. Crows can make and use tools. Yes, you heard it right. They've been observed crafting cups to carry water. Not just that, they can complete puzzles, showing an understanding of cause and effect that is truly unique in the bird world. But their intelligence doesn't stop there. Crows have an impressive memory, especially when it comes to humans. They can remember human faces and hold grudges. If you've ever wronged a crow, beware. They can pass on their anger to their fellow crows. It's almost like they have a social network where they share wanted posters. Now let's talk about their communication. Crows have over 250 different calls. Their complex communication system includes a range of calls, caws, and croaks. They can mimic the sounds of other animals, and even have their own dialects. It's as if they have their own language, isn't it? Crows also exhibit some unique behaviors that are fascinating to observe. They engage in a behavior called anting, where they rub ants on their feathers. The ants secrete formic acid, which acts as a repellent against parasites and harmful microorganisms. It's a crow's way of taking a bath. They also seem to hold funerals for their kind. When a crow dies, others gather around the body, almost like they're mourning their loss. Researchers suggest this could be a form of danger learning, where they try to understand why the crow died to avoid a similar fate. Incredible, isn't it? The intelligence of crows is certainly not something to be underestimated. Crows have a deep-seated place in our culture and myths, but there's more to these birds than meets the eye. Throughout the ages, these intelligent creatures have been symbolized as harbingers of danger, death, and illness, while also paradoxically representing rebirth, loyalty, and intelligence. But let's step away from symbolism and dive into some unexpected facts. Did you know crows can read traffic lights? They are known to drop walnuts on the road, waiting for vehicles to crack them open, and swoop down to feast during a red light. These birds also have a playful side, enjoying pranks and games, much like humans. Life expectancy? A wild crow can live up to 20 years, while their captive counterparts can live even longer. The oldest known captive crow lived to the ripe age of 59. And yes, contrary to popular belief, not all crows are black. Some are white due to albinism or genetic mutation. From culture to surprising facts, crows continue to amaze us in many ways. So next time you spot one, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating creatures. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Stay safe and stay curious. Wish you all good luck and good health.